Hi everyone, do you want to enjoy some ice cream or a guilt-free calorie-dense ice cream? Then this recipe is definitely for you. Please watch this video to the end to discover the secret ingredient hidden in this recipe. So you don't want to miss out on anything. Please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Share your thoughts as well. You can see the ice cream is looking so yummy and good. This is definitely a must-try recipe to any girlie who is on a calorie deficit and on a weight loss journey, or just wanting to keep fit on your weight. Then this recipe is definitely for you. Look at how yummy and delicious this ice cream looks, and it tastes so amazing. The taste is heavenly, and you don't want to miss out on anything or any enjoyment this summer without this particular recipe. So you need to try this. So guys, come with me, let me journey with you on this recipe. So let's get started. First, we prepare ourselves, get ready for the kitchen, and your girl is looking so amazing. So on this recipe, we'll be using some fresh watermelon, some pineapple, some fresh coconut, some lemon, some dates, and a pinch of ginger, as you can see displayed on the screen. So first, we will start by prepping our ingredients that we'll be using in this recipe, and we'll begin with the lemon. I peel off the peels from it and then chopped it into small pieces to allow the blender to pick up and blend it. So guys, you need to cool down this summer with this healthy homemade ice cream that I made with fresh watermelon, creamy coconut, juicy pineapple, sweet dates, and some zesty lemon slices and a hint of ginger. This dairy-free, sugar-free recipe is packed with nutrients and bursting with tropical flavor. Perfect for anyone looking to stay cool while nourishing the body. So the health benefits of each ingredient, we have the watermelon. Watermelon helps to hydrate the body and supports heart health with lycopene and citrulline in it. So coconut milk is healthy in fats and antioxidants, and support brain and gut health, which is very vital for the body. Meanwhile, pineapples are a great source of vitamin C and bromelain, which aids digestion and boosts immunity. So next, we have the dates, natural sweetener full of fiber, potassium and magnesium, great for energy and gut health. While the lemon adds a refreshing tang while supporting detox and immunity with vitamin C. And finally, ginger is an anti-inflammatory and digestion friendly with a warm and spicy kick. So guys, don't forget to watch this video to the end to see the end product of this creamy scoop, and which contains no sugar, no dairy products, and you will eat it with no guilt. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share for more healthy and delicious recipes like this one. So at this point, everything has been prepped and well chopped. Just the watermelon left that we are prepping right now to bring it into small slices. This watermelon was quite large, and I didn't need all of that for this recipe. And this is the quantity I will be needing to give that color, the flavor, the nutrients, and everything. So in this watermelon, I would not remove the seeds. I didn't remove the seeds from this watermelon because the seeds contains a lot of nutrients as well, and we are talking about fiber dense and healthy replacement of ice cream. So that is what we are going for. So everything has been chopped. I set in my watermelon into the blender and blend it until it is smooth. So now the watermelon is ready, and I took out the blended mixture. Then I'm going into my blender with some coconut, and I added about 3 milliliters of water to blend it until it is smooth. So I continue blending and blending. So at one point I realized that the blender was unable to pick up and continue blending because of too much thickness. So I added a little bit of water, which makes it like 400 ml of water I added to this one whole coconut to blend it to smooth. Now it is ready. I transfer this to a chiffon cloth and then squeeze out the juice out of it. This coconut was actually very packed with fats, and it was really very fatty, which is also very healthy because it gives healthy fats to this particular ice cream and makes it very balanced. So next I'm going to my blender with some pineapples, the lemons, the ginger, the dates, and then I added the coconut milk I had already extracted to give that creamy mixture and blend it until it is really smooth. So guys, don't forget to clean as you go. We are making ice cream here, and so we are not cooking anything, so hygiene is very important to keep bacteria away from this particular ice cream. So guys, everything is ready, and I started with the bottom. I went in with the watermelon mixture, and then on top of it I then added the rest of the creamy mixture, which is made up of pineapples, lemon, ginger, dates, and coconut cream. And this recipe tasted so good. I had just this one ice cream mold, so I actually freeze all this ice cream in batches to achieve the quantity that you'll be seeing displayed on your screen. So I went in with those ice cream sticks, and this is so beautiful. Look at that, it looks so beautiful already. So this is it out of the fridge. So it is out of the freezer at this point, and let's take a quick look and look at that goodness. Oh my, look at that goodness. This watermelon was actually very sweet, and the other mixture plus the dates gave it a little bit sweet sour taste, which is very good for the tongue and for this summer. And the rest of the mixture, I actually use these small little molds to bring out these cubes for some good drinks this summer. So you can add this to your cocktails, to whatever drink that you seem to really like. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have watched this video to the end. And that was the end of the video. Bye.